back to another video. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Michelle. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. But yeah, so I asked you guys on my Instagram, like I did like a poll and asked you guys what kind of content you guys wanted to see from me. So if you guys haven't followed me on Instagram yet, go ahead and follow me. I'm like constantly asking questions on there about what you guys want to see. And a lot of you guys actually put makeup as one of the first, like that was the number one that I got, was like makeup tutorials, makeup videos. And so yeah, I decided to do like a natural summer kind of like a glowy, I don't know what I'm gonna title it, I don't know what name to put to it yet, but it's basically like a really natural glowy summer makeup look. And yeah, it's like really hot here in Miami, especially during the summer. It's even worse. And yeah, so it's hot and nobody got time to be putting a whole bunch of stuff on their face. So I decided to do this like very glowy kind of makeup look, just because like when it's like sunny outside and like the sun hits your face, it looks very glowy, you look very radiant, and that's kind of the look that we all want. We all want to look young, fresh, radiant, glowy, you know, the whole thing. So yeah, in the video I'm gonna show you guys how to achieve this look. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, now that I have zoomed you guys in a little closer so you guys can see better, you guys already know that I like starting my makeup with the moisturizer. This one is the one I showed you guys in my last video. Nothing has really changed. This is a dual action focus here. Yeah, clean and clear, whatever it's called, moisturizer. So yeah, I'm gonna start doing that. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I am a little like burnt because I've been in the sun a lot, and here in Miami the sun is like not a game, and it's like, yeah, terrible. So I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but I'm like really burned. Like I've been trying to wear makeup to work, but it hasn't been working because I've been feeling so bad, and so it looks terrible. Anyway, after I put on moisturizer, I'm gonna go on my favorite primer, which is the Baby Skin primer that I show you guys. I swear by this product. I don't know, like it says Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. That's exactly what it does. And every time I wear this primer, I feel like it lasts me for like ever. So I'm basically just putting it in the areas where I have oily skin and I sweat really quickly. Let me know if that's you guys, because I literally walk outside for like 2 seconds and I'm literally sweating. And right now it's like super humid right now in Miami because it's like raining, it's super bipolar weather. So it's like raining, it's humid, the sun is out, and it's a mess. So yeah, I'm just putting it in my T-zone, which is like your forehead, underneath your eyes, my chin, my upper lip thing, whatever this is called, my cupid's bow, I don't know what it's called, but that because that's where I sweat the most, so that's where I'm applying the primer at so that it will last longer. Alright, now since I applied the primer, I'm just gonna go ahead and move my hair to my face because I'm not trying to have foundation in my hair. That's not it, sis. So yeah, I'm really excited to like show you guys this product because like I used to hear about it a lot when like I first started getting into makeup, although I never really gave it a try. But I feel like right now I really like being natural, like more like on the softer side of doing my makeup. And yeah, like I don't be wanting to wear full foundation, like full coverage during the summer because like I'm already sweating, it's hot outside, like I don't want to feel my face to be heavy. And so I got into this BB cream thing, which is like, what is it? It's like a foundation, but not really. It's like really lightweight. It's kind of like somewhat of a, I don't know how to explain it. It's not like, it's like kind of like a tinted moisturizer. So if you guys are more like on the natural side, if you're not really into makeup like that, or if you guys don't really like to like apply too much makeup, then I would recommend you to get the BB cream. It's really natural. Like maybe you're going to the beach and maybe you're like gonna take pictures, or I don't know, you're gonna be with family before you get into the water and you kind of want to not look crazy at first. This is it, okay? So I'm just gonna get my damn beauty blender and I'm just gonna apply it. So it does show up white, but it's literally because as you're pressing it in, it's kind of making its own color to, it's kind of like matching your skin color to the foundation. Alright, so I don't know if you guys can see the difference before and after. Like, it looks really a lot on camera, but it's really not. It's really natural. It's very lightweight on your skin. Like, I can still see through my color. I can still see my skin a lot. Let me try to zoom you guys in so you can see a little bit. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see, but you can still see like skin like peeping through. I think because of the lights, it looks very like white, but it's not in person. It looks really good. Like, honestly, I was going to the beach, I would leave it like this, but yeah. Alright, so after applying the BB cream, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I'm just gonna do a very natural like brow, because we're gonna go for a very natural look today. I don't want to do like something too much because it's like, it's summer. Like, I don't know, I don't want to feel too cakey. I don't want to have too much stuff going on my face. It's too hot for that, okay? It's way too hot for that. So I'm gonna just do something really natural. That is the point of this video. If you like it, if you want to do a lot, then you can. But I'm gonna just do it very natural because it's really hot. Too hot to be having the full thing. So I'm just using right now this NYX eyebrow tinted brow thing, but I honestly don't like it. Like, in my opinion, I like the e.l.f. one. I don't know if I showed you guys in the last video or like in the last makeup video, or I didn't. I don't know, but I don't really like this one. I like the e.l.f. one, but we don't have that one today, so we're just gonna go with this one, which it still does the job. So I'm honestly just gonna run through my eyebrows with this tinted eyebrow gel. Alright, so now I'm gonna use my MAC whatever. I've had this brush for so long, I really don't even have the number to it. Just a flat eyeshadow brush, or I think it's a concealer brush. And then I'm just using my Anastasia concealer palette, and I'm gonna do the opposite of what I usually do. First, I'll like line my eyebrows with like an eyebrow pencil, but since I want to go for a more natural look, I'm just gonna clean up my eyebrows, because your girl has not done her eyebrows in like a year. I do them myself, but whatever, we're not gonna talk about it, okay? But yeah, so I'm just gonna clean them up with concealer, and then I'm gonna light them. I'm gonna like fill them in lightly with eyebrow pencil, and I'm just gonna use the Wet n Wild. You guys know already how I feel about this product. Literally super cheap, $3, and it works. So yeah. Alright, now that that is done, I'm gonna use my favorite concealer at the moment, which is this Born to Glow from NYX. I just bought this one actually because I ran out of my old one, so this is the Born to Glow, which is perfect for this look because it's gonna make you look glowy and very like summery. Usually I would put the concealer like I showed you guys in the other video, like, you know, the whole thing, the whole triangle look, but I'm not trying to do all that today. We're trying to do really natural, so I'm gonna just go under my eyes like back in the days before makeup was popping, and I'm just gonna put it under my bags so I look like I slapped, you know. And I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it. Alright, so now we're just gonna go in here with powder. I'm just gonna use the Airspun. It's a very affordable powder and it works really well. It lasts all day. This is like the translucent one, I think, but I'm not gonna try to put too much because we want it to be glowy, whatever. I just want to kind of set everything in place, so I'm just gonna put a little bit to where I had put the concealer before. Then I'm just gonna put it like right under my nose because it looks so funny. But because I get really sweaty there, okay y'all, like I sweat really quick, Miami is really hot, and this will keep my makeup intact there because I'm like constantly sweating. So this is why I'm putting a lot more powder there than anywhere else on my face. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead with a face powder. I'm gonna go in with like really lightly, so that, because I think I told you guys in my previous makeup video that I hate putting on like bronzer or anything on top of like face when it's like really wet from the foundation, or in this case the BB cream. So I'm just gonna tap over my face lightly with this. After I finish applying my face powder, now I'm just gonna go in with this bronzer, the Physicians Formula one. You guys also have seen this one before. I bought a new one because my other one, it hit pan. It smells really good. They have a new packaging, I guess. But it smells so good. I say that every time I open this thing. I literally, if I don't smell my bronzer, something's wrong, okay? So now I'm just gonna go in with this bronzer brush. Now I'm just gonna go in really lightly. Alright, now I gave my face some color, okay? We're back. I don't look like a ghost anymore. Alright, y'all, next up is really important. I don't know, maybe you guys don't have to, but I love it. I love applying blush. Blush is like, you know, a blushy, summery kind of look. That's what I'm kind of going for. I love blush, so I'm just gonna use this Becca Cosmetics from the Jaclyn Hill one. I'm pretty sure they sell this individually. I'm using these two. I know you, yeah, this is really old. Like, y'all can tell this is my favorite blush, but yeah, I'm just gonna mix both of these and then apply that to my cheekbones. Alright, once we have applied the blush and you have your rosy cheeks and you look a little bit shinier, you look a little more glowy. Now we're gonna add a little bit more glow because you want to do like a glowy summer look and you want to look as glowy as you possibly can. So I'm using this Laura Geller High Definition Glow Illuminator Duo. It's called the Heart of Gold, and I'm just gonna go ahead and get my highlighter brush. And it's this one right here for Morphe and Jaclyn. It's just like a little small, yeah, highlighter brush. And I'm first gonna wet it with setting spray. So I'm just gonna use the Rose Water setting spray from Maven Beauty, and I'm just gonna spray it so it can give like a dual effect to the highlighter. So I'm just gonna mix them both, to be honest. And I'm just gonna like apply it to like right here in this area, like right above my cheekbones. I'm gonna apply it to the tip of my nose a little bit, and then on my forehead just a little bit, so that you look very glowy on the bottom of my chin, and on my cupid's bow. So now we look glowy, like super cute. I love this highlighter. Yeah. Alright, next we're just gonna go in with eyeshadow. I'm gonna get out of my comfort zone just a little bit for you guys and for the video, because I would do like mattes and I would just do something really boring and my browns, but for the video and for the glowy makeup look, I'm gonna do some shimmer on my eyelids. So I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of like give some definition to my eyes, because right now they look really plain, they look really like boring. So I'm just gonna define them. Alright, once we have added our eyeshadow, I'm honestly just gonna press it onto the middle part so it like kind of blends all seamlessly. Alright, so next I'm just gonna use this e.l.f. liquid glitter, and yeah, I might, let me see, maybe I'll blend it in with my finger, because I don't know if you guys know this trick, but when you use like your middle finger is very sensitive and it's actually way more pigmented than using a brush, your fingers. So I'm gonna see if I like it. So I'm just gonna apply it. Let me zoom you guys in so you can see it better. I like it. I actually like for it to show through. So I'm not gonna just leave it on my eyelid, because I don't want like I'm not trying to do like a cut crease kind of look. I kind of want it to be on top, and it's gonna make your whole look very glowy. So I'm just gonna press it up there. it kind of feels a little cringy just because like I'm not used to putting it up there, but we're gonna do it for today. You see? Alright, now that that's done, I don't know if you guys can see that. It's very like summery, glowy, very glittery. In person, it looks really pretty. I'm not used to it because I'm very matte, but I like it. It's cute. Although I feel like it's missing something. Like I feel like it's missing like life, you know? And of course, I can't. Like I have to go in with a brown. Like, so I'm just gonna go in with the shade 1988 from the same palette, which is this really dark brown. I'm just gonna kind of do like a brown right here so that it kind of gives somewhat of a definition. Alright, that looks a lot more like it comes together. It gives you kind of like a cat eye effect, and I like it. You don't have to do a step. If you want to just leave it really glittery, you can, but I feel like this adds more like oomph to the look. So, and then I'm just gonna go in with the setting spray before I like put on mascara, and so that we can like set everything into place, and it gives it like more of a dewy look, and it just kind of sets up everything soaking into your skin. So I'm gonna do that. Alright, now I'm just gonna put on mascara, and I'm just gonna use this Great Lash by Maybelline. This is one of my favorite mascaras, although it's not waterproof, and I'm always like, I cry about everything, okay? I'm very sensitive. So I'm always like, oh, this like really messes up my whole face. So if you're looking for waterproof mascara, this one's not it, but it's a really good mascara. Like, it's really, really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do my top and my bottom lashes. I'm just gonna go ahead and put lip gloss on, but I'm gonna first line my lips. This is from Milani, and it's in the shade 9 Spice. And honestly, if you can't tell that I love this, I don't know what to tell you. Now looking a little cray-cray, I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. Lip Lacquer. It's like a lip gloss. I love anything that has to do with gloss. I hate lipstick. Cannot do it, not for me, but we're gonna go in with it. Oh my god, it looks so good with this makeup look. Yes, I like it. And it goes so well on my shirt. I like it a lot, actually. You guys, that's basically it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me get ready, watching me get out of my comfort zone just a little bit. And I hope you guys learned some tricks, some new things maybe that you didn't know before. And yeah, if you guys decide to recreate this makeup look, then go ahead and tag me. I would love to see you guys do this look. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.